In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add page attributes in WordPress. So in order to add page attributes, first thing you need to do is to sign up for a WordPress account. To do this, head over to wordpress.com and click on the Get Started option or Sign Up option that you should be able to see right there. Now, if you already have an account, you can just try to log in by clicking onto this login option that we can see right here. In my case, I already have an WordPress account, so let me head over and just log in. Now here is my actual dashboard. Now what we can do is we can head over right here to the pages. And once you're in there, you can just look in here for the page that you want to edit the page attributes with. Click on this edit option and you should be able to see it right here. Now what we can do is we can actually click on any blank part of the page and utilize this. You can see in here that we have the block option. Click on this block. And in here we can see integrations, responses, and we also see in here some options. You can click on any part of the page, and then on the block option, you can see the attributes. So in here we can see attributes per content. Head over and click on it. And in here, these attributes are connected to custom fields or other dynamic data. You can also connected into this part as well by going over to the advanced option and adding in here some CSS class or going to the page options and linking particular attributes based on the things that we have linked right here. You can also do this under the actual heading and select in here a block that you wish to actually have that ready as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out. If you have any questions, comment them down below.